Hello, weather fans. This is social meteorologist Bob Clubs here with an update on the potential for Winter Storm Bane as it arrives Saturday night into Sunday here in the fake weather area. And we're going to talk about the potential that it offers and how it would maybe be scary under normal conditions, but not so much for us and what we've been through. The National Weather Service has issued winter weather advisories for these counties in white. Northeast Arkansas, Western Tennessee, Western Kentucky, and the Boot Heel counties get to be involved in this. Here they are showing up in beautiful purple. These are the counties that are under the winter weather advisory, and this is due to the chance of sleet and freezing rain, maybe some light snow. These counties that are bordering that here in the rest of southeast Missouri and southern Illinois, we warrant a maybe a hazardous weather outlook is what we warrant, but it's really not an item of big concern. If we take a look at the model here and what Winter Storm Bane might be doing, you can see why those particular counties were chosen for the advisory. Winter Storm Bane is going to come up through Arkansas and begin to form some freezing rain in yellow and sleet in red. And as you watch his path come through here, you can really see why the boot heel is included, but mostly this is an event for Kentucky and Western Tennessee because it moves out of Missouri relatively quickly. It just glances by. Those boot heel counties might get included in just a little bit, and then it goes away. Here's another tool that we can look at. This is the probability of accumulating freezing rain. This is accumulating freezing rain of greater than 1/100th of an inch. And you can see that this indicates that we're probably going to get that. We are probably going to get some freezing rain in southeast Missouri. And under normal circumstances, we would probably be issuing a freak out about this. We would probably give this about a 1 gallon freak out because, oh my gosh, freezing rain, what are we going to do? But we've already got ice all over the place because if your road looks like mine, it's got ice on it right now because they were able to scrape that snow off and leave this lovely layer of ice right underneath that. So we might just be adding a little fresh glaze to the top of the ice that is already there from Winter Storm Abomination. If we up the amount on this to 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain, you can see again, yep, the Boot Heel counties get a little bit of a greater chance of this, but it is more of a Kentucky based event. So they're the ones that are going to have to deal with greater probabilities of freezing rain with this. If we take it up to a 1/4 inch and say, well, what's the probability of that? Gets even further away, and Kentucky is the only place that is dealing with that. So bad news for Kentucky, good news for us. If we take a look at chance of accumulating snow of greater than an inch, you can see that this is not really a snow event. It's not happening, so it's not going to bring us any snow. So sorry, Winter Storm Bane, you aren't that scary. We have just survived Winter Storm Abomination and its abominableness, and we are still dealing with that. So while Winter Storm Bane may come, may offer us a fresh glazing, we're just not going to be concerned about that. So at this time here at the Department of Social Meteorology, we are not prepared to issue any freakouts. We are not doing a freakout for Winter Storm Bane. Come on, bring us a little bit of glaze if you want to, but we're not scared. We ain't scared, as it were. So that's the latest on Winter Storm Bane. Thanks for your support. I'm social meteorologist Bob Clubs, watching the weather so you don't have to.